Did you know ChatGPT have negative effects on students like me?
Disinformation propagation, one of the main issues is the possibility of disinformation spreading.
Decrease critical thinking. Using AI to obtain knowledge can lessen the requirements for critical thought.
Implication for mental health. Relying too much on AI to provide emotional support or companionship can have negative effects on one's mental state.
Job displacement. AI-driven systems such as ChatGPT, which automate tasks, have the potential to cause job displacement in specific industries.
Bias implication, social bias found in training data can also be reinforced and amplified by AI models, such as JADP.
Sharing personal information is a common source of using such platforms like ChatGPT. Significant privacy issues are raised by this, particularly if the data is not managed securely. The possibility of sensitive information being misused and databases never goes away.
Those chatbots are meant to mimic human communication. Real feelings and empathy are absent from them. The interpersonal and emotional ties that are crucial to many human relationships may be undetermined by a heavy reliance on AI for communication.
Security risk. ChatGPT and comparable technologies may be used maliciously. This covers the creation of plausible phishing emails, persona creation, and even deepfake materials.